In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a message request was accepted in Google Chat. If you've sent someone a message in Google Chat and you're not sure whether they've accepted the conversation yet, the good news is that you can quickly check this from the message requests area. This is especially useful if you've reached out to someone for the first time and want to confirm whether your chat has moved forward. To begin, go to your Google Chat home dashboard. You can do this by opening Google Chat in your browser and making sure you're on the main home screen. This is the central place where you can see your conversations, spaces, and other chat activity. Before moving on, it helps to make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal communication. Once you're on the Google Chat home dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on New Chat. This is where you normally start a fresh conversation with someone, even though it's mainly used for creating a new chat. It also gives you access to other conversation-related options, including message requests. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the upper left area carefully, since interface layouts can look slightly different depending on your screen size or browser window. After clicking New Chat, select Message Requests. This section is where Google Chat keeps conversations that haven't fully become regular chats yet. By opening this area, you'll be able to review pending requests and check their current status. If the request is still there, that usually means the conversation has not yet been accepted. If it's no longer listed in message requests and has moved into your normal chat list, that can indicate the person has accepted it and the conversation is now active like any other standard chat. This is a simple way to monitor whether your outreach has been acknowledged without needing to send additional follow-up messages too soon. It can also help you stay organized if you frequently contact new people through Google Chat. That's all you need to do. Head to your Google Chat home dashboard, open New Chat, and then check message requests to see whether the request is still pending or has likely been accepted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.